Today, I'm going to show you how to resend a Klaviyo campaign to an unopened list. This is a great way to reach people who haven't engaged with your previous emails and give your campaigns a second chance to perform. Let's get started. First, go to your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Audience. Then select Lists and Segments. This is where all your contacts are stored and where you can create custom segments for targeted campaigns. Next, we're going to create a new segment. At the top right, click Create New, then choose Create Segment. Now you'll see a screen where you can set rules and conditions for your segment. Let's name this segment Unopened. You can use any name that makes sense to you, like No Opens or Unengaged, but for this example, we'll keep it simple as Unopened. You can also add a tag if you want, but it's optional. Now it's time to add conditions. The first condition is what someone has done. Select Person has, then received email, and set it to at least once over all time. This ensures we only include people who actually received a campaign. Next, add another condition using and. Select what someone has done or not done, opened email, and set it to 0 times over all time. This filters out anyone who has opened an email before, leaving only the contacts who didn't open your messages. Finally, add one more condition, again using and. Choose what someone has done, then clicked email, and set it to 0 times over all time. This ensures you're targeting people who didn't engage at all, not just those who opened but didn't click. Once your 3 conditions are set, go to the top and click Create Segment. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your list. After it's done, you'll find your new segment under Audience, then Lists and Segments. This is now ready to be used in your next campaign, so you can resend your email specifically to these unopened contacts. And that's it. You now have a clean segment of people who haven't engaged with your previous emails, making your campaigns more targeted and effective.